Hey guys, so today we're going to be installing headlight bulbs on a 2006 Honda Civic. I'm actually installing Autlead LED bulbs today, so I did a review on those also. So if you're interested in that, I'll put a description in the link, a link in the description box. So first thing you want to do is take out your coolant reservoir, and then go ahead and turn the actual headlight bulb a quarter turn counterclockwise, and then you can take it out. And then what you want to do after that is just take the bulb out. There's a plug on the bottom. So see the button on the bottom there, just push that and you can pull the halogen bulb out. And then basically everything is in reverse order. So these LEDs, these particular ones, the mount on it actually rotates. So make sure it's lined up where the LED lights are, side to side instead of up and down, because that's how you get the best beam for these. Then go ahead and plug it, the new one in. And then put it back in there. So sorry, there's not much room in this area. So basically what you want to do is just put it back in the slot and then turn it a quarter turn clockwise, and it should be locked in. So this is what it looks like. The camera doesn't really do justice, but it was a lot better in person. So then to do the passenger side, you want to turn the wheel all the way to the left, and you want to peel back your fender wall. There should be one little plastic clip, kind of like in the middle of the picture. You probably need to take that out first, and then you can peel it back. And so there you can see the headlight bulb. Go ahead and stick your hand in there, and it's the same thing. Turn it a quarter turn counterclockwise to get it out of the mount. And then this one was really hard. There's not that much room again. So go ahead and take the plug out. So this is what I'm doing. I'm taking the plug out right now, which you can't really see, but that's what I'm doing. And then go ahead and reverse order, plug the other one in, and then put it in there. And turn it a quarter turn clockwise, and it should be good to go. So here's what it looks like, when they're both on. Looks really nice. Again, these are Autlead LED bulbs. So hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.